Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe, staying cool. We got the heat wave on the East Coast, and pretty much the whole universe is getting nasty. So definitely we're gonna hit, I think, what, 100 tomorrow and 90s high today. So definitely gonna stay cool and do some unboxing. So we got Amazon Prime. Link will be down below. Check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast free shipping. Uh-oh. I see what this is. Here we go. And voila. Oh, that's a nice one. We have here VIVIMAGE C480 home theater projector. Alright. Be a nice little gaming projector for your man cave. Watch some sports on it, some movies, Netflix, Hulu. Use your Android Fire Sticks and all that good stuff. Alrighty, here we go. We have here power, or is this HDMI? That's a good thing. And we got the standard remote. There we go. We got some cables. Now here is power. Kind of like the PS2 power cable. Oh boy, come on out. At least it's a black version, so definitely happy with that one. And we got some good stuff and reading materials in here. And we got the beast. Have to take it out. So here we go. And like I said, take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast free shipping. They'll send this out to you guys in no time. Here she is out of the, I can put it right there. Oh, perfect. Alright. So here it is. You got the lens cap at the bottom. I think this is a kickstand where you can have it project or mounted. So here's the back. And right here you could just whoop, and then use it off that. And it could have one of those, I forgot what they're called, but you know what I mean. There it is, IR, infrared. And there we go, got the lens off. What do we got here? Oh, tripod, that's what it's called. Tripod. I had to remove that. And here's the bottom. Up, down, the menus. You could adjust here, adjust there. And power. There. What is this one? Got power button. And on the side we got one HD, two USBs, AV, memory card. Image. Alright, I'm gonna set it up. We're gonna see how it looks. And it's pretty dark out right now, so surprise. It's not as sunny, but it is hot. So we got, let me type it up. Hold on one second. Alrighty, this is the mini projector, 2800 lux full HD 1080p supported, 170 inches display portable video projector, 40,000 hours LED life. TV stick, PS4, HDMI, VGA, TF, AV, and USB. And you could get this under 80 bucks, $69.99. So that's a heck of a deal. These will definitely sell out quick. Take this to camping with you guys, your college dorms, instead of carrying all the big TVs, but pretty much they're slim now. So, but this will be a great portable backup to have. If you have a group of people, bring over the Switch, hook up the Nintendo Switch to it, have your party. breathtaking brightness, 2800 lux brightness, 2001 contrast ratio. Get pulled into the action. Size from 37 inch to 170. Distance is going to be between 3.8 feet and 18 feet. Sweet. Favorite movies, shows, sports. There we go. So definitely click the link down below, add it to your cart, and get it shipped to you in no time. I'll be right back with the full review. See you in a few. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are. We're gonna let her rip. We got it hooked up. It has a nice little red LED light right there, right by their logo. And I'm running the PS4, so hopefully this is gonna be easy to turn on. There we go. I'm gonna have to turn off that light. Definitely adjust it to your vision. You're gonna do it like that, so you can tilt the screen. That's definitely blur. And I'm gonna have to shut that light off. Give me 1 sec. Alright, YouTube, sorry about that. I had to shut that light off. I wish I had an assistant sometimes. But we're gonna adjust it to the best we can so we can see what we're doing here. Okay. Gotta love that PS4 melody. Okay, maybe back a little bit. Oops. Well, it is touch sensitive. It has a nice little glow to it. So I'm gonna use a remote. Okay, you could do it that way. You guys can see it. English. Wow. Look how clear that is. Got the volume. Oh, I like that darkness. That looks smooth. Got the menu. Picture standard. We're gonna do zoom 2. Okay, I like this already. I like that zoom 2 feature because it makes it bigger and wider. Because mostly I use this now for like my camera security, so I can watch the video on here. Color temperature medium, probably right. Noise reduction. There we go. But there we go. We got a multimedia projector, USB 1 and 2. Oh, that quick. HD AV. All right. Click on that. We're gonna do a test run now. Trying to see. Hopefully, I don't get. Oh no! Update. Why you gotta do an update now? And like I said, I'm using their stand that came with it. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are. Got the PS4 updated, and now we're doing Heavy Rain. Gonna check this out. Sounds really good. I'm gonna have to do some modding because it's kind of still low where it's positioned on my table, but it looks really good so far. Just zooming in a little bit. I would say this is about 4 inches, maybe 5. Dang. I'm gonna have to do some gaming. Right stick. Get up. I remember playing this game when the PS4 came out. Alright, go up. Yeah, it looks really good. There we go. Alright. Time to get dressed. Get up, dude. Here we go. Hey, what? Pressing L2. Oh, shower.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
Good point. Hygiene is very important. Where is the shower? Oh boy.
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party.
Yeah, that sounds really
good. Don't work
good.
too hard. I love you.
Alright. Now I know where she went. Here we go. Getting somewhere. Aha. Bird. Hey, that looks good though. For under $100, you can't beat it. I'm trying to keep it still, but it's kind of hard. Alright, shower time. Not sure where the shower is. Oh no, I gotta shave. There we go. Oh shoot. Yeah, there we go. He did it. See, it teaches how to shave. That's pretty cool. And look at that. Yeah, this will look sweet with Madden. That's coming out at the end of the month. So have your Madden tournaments on this big screen. All your Overwatch parties. Mortal Kombat would be another good game. But for under $100, you can't beat it. Great Christmas gift for anybody. Yeah, brush your teeth. See? And now he's ready for a shower. Oh, you gotta shake the controller. Alrighty, that's enough of that. But definitely check them out, YouTubers. Link will be down below, where you could get one of these movie projector, gaming projectors, all in one. So they got some really cool stuff. Take a second and see what they have to offer, and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Really happy. This is all the way back. So it looks really good though. Look at that. And it's still pretty dark, or it's pretty late still out. So, I mean, you can tell right there. So, really cool. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good day, and see you soon.